Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. In today's video, I'll be showing you some ideas of packing the gifts, mostly for small gifts. So without wasting time, let's begin. The first idea is packing with A4 sheets. I know obviously you won't like to pack it with plain A4 sheets, so you can get some nice design printouts. Like you can see here, some of the images I made it myself. So if you want these designs, there are many more. I'll put it up in my Insta or somewhere. If you want it, you can DM me on Insta or any other social media. So I'll discuss about it on the social media video. So coming to the next idea, it is a paper gift box. That is this one. As you can see, this is very cute and I like this one. So obviously it won't stay stiff, so you'll have to tie a ribbon. So this is one more idea. If you want to know how to make this, then go ahead and watch the video. I'll get back to you later after that. So coming to the third idea, it is most commonly used by many people and it's fun. So it is wrapping the gift with many balls and many newspapers, then finally the gift wrapper, main one. So that is fun to open as well. So that is one idea. And the last idea for today's video is using such designed covers. So I like this one also. This is liquid stuff. So this type of covers with design, there are many other designs you get. So this is also very nice. You can just give to them like that, just put one sellotape and it is good. They can use this as well. Not only the gift, this also will be very useful. So that is one idea. So that is the last one. That's it for today. I hope you like the ideas. If yes, then do like and also comment down below if you want more such ideas or any other suggestions or advice you want to give me. You can comment down below. So I'll meet you all in the next video. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.